Good morning, students. Today we are starting a new chapter, that is MS Excel 2010. First, let's have some recap. What are the use of MS Excel spreadsheet? Before knowing MS Excel spreadsheet, we have to know about spreadsheet. Spreadsheet means it is a software which can be used to perform calculations. So MS Excel spreadsheet can be used to prepare mark sheets of students, the salary report of employees, numerical data of any companies. For these purposes, we can use MS Excel spreadsheet 2010. Next, how can you format data in MS Excel 2010? Now, we have to know what type of data we can enter in a spreadsheet. We can enter three types of data. Number one, text, where we'll write any textual information, like suppose your name. Next, number. Here we'll write some numbers, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 and formula. For example, equal NOW. It is a formula which will give the current date. So these three types of data we can enter in a spreadsheet. So to format this data, format means to make our data more presentable. For that, from the font group we can do the formatting. From here we can make it bold, italics, underlined, etc. Suppose if I click on B, all the information will be changed to bold. And from here I can put border around the cells. And from here I can give text color like this, and from here I can put background color. For example, this one. This is known as format data in spreadsheet, so that it look more presentable, more good. Next, how to use autofill options. Autofill options save our time. Suppose I want to write some serial numbers like 1, 2, 3. These numbers I want to write in a spreadsheet. Then I no need to type all the numbers. For that I will type just 1 and 2. After that I will select these two cells and drag it till bottom or till down. As here you can see, the next numbers are filled up automatically. This is known as autofill. There are two types of autofill. One is which is provided by spreadsheet itself, and another one is custom autofill. In custom autofill, we can write our own names or numbers. Even the month names, weekdays also we can write using autofill. For example, suppose I wrote MON, which is short form of Monday. If I drag it till down, here you will see the weekdays: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. For month, if I write JAN and drag it till down, here you will see the month names: January, February, March, April, May, June, etc. This is known as autofill, which provide a automatic list to save our time. Now next, how to adjust rows and column sizes and insert or delete cells. Now we have to know about the rows and columns. The vertical groups are known as rows. The horizontal group of cells are known as rows. For example, this one. In spreadsheets, rows are denoted by numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And columns, the vertical group of cells. For example, A, B, C, these are known as columns. Now how to adjust the size of rows and columns? To adjust the size of columns, between two columns, place your mouse pointer and drag it like this to make it small or big. Suppose I need to make it small, then keep here. This one also I need to make it small like this. And suppose I want to make the first row little large or bigger, then place the mouse pointer between 1 and 2 and drag it till down to make it bigger. Then how to insert a new row column? Between A and B I need one more column. How to do that? First, place your mouse pointer on B, right click on your mouse, then one pop-up window will appear as shown here, and click on insert. As here you will see a new column has been inserted. Now to insert a new row, suppose just after row number 1 I need one more row. So place your mouse pointer on row number 2, right click and click on insert. As here you will see one new row. Now suppose I don't require row number 2. For that, click on row number 2, right click and select delete. Like that we can delete a particular row. And suppose I don't want the information what is written inside here, then what I can do, just select the information, right click and delete. Or simply we can do select the information and delete. So this way we can insert new columns, rows, or delete existing column and rows in a spreadsheet. Now let's delete everything. Next, formatting numbers. In MS Excel we can write different type of numbers. All the numbers types will get in number group of home tab. As here you will see general. Here by using general we can write general numbers. There is no specific format. This is just a simple numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next one is number. Here our numbers will be in group like international format or Indo-Arabic format. Next one is currency. Here we can write rupees or dollar like this one. Accounting for money purposes. Short date. Here we can write the date in a short form. For example, if today's date, then it will be 02 days 06 days 2020. Long date, here it will be like that 2nd June 2020. Time, percentage, fraction and scientific equations. So let's have some examples. Suppose I have a number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I have these numbers. Let's make this column little large. I have these numbers, and remember one thing, whenever we write numbers in a cell it automatically align to right. But if you write some text here, suppose I am writing name, it's aligned to left. In spreadsheet, numbers are always in right and text are in left. So by default it is a general number. Let's convert into number. As here you can see 2 decimal points. When we convert a number into number format, then we will get the decimal points. If we convert into currency, you will get the rupees symbol before the number and even the decimal places. If we convert into accounting, there will be some gap between the rupees symbol and the numbers. If we convert into percentage, you will get percentage symbol at last. If we convert into scientific, it's something like that. Now let's have short date and long date. Suppose today's date, it's 02, 06 and 2020. This is known as short date. Now let's convert into a long date. As here I already said, it will be displayed like that, 2nd June 2020. If we convert into short date, 02-06-2020. So these are the number format of MS Excel 2010. Once again, I am dictating the different formats of numbers: general, number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, and text. These are the number format of MS Excel 2020. Now modifying data in a spreadsheet. How we can modify data? Suppose we have this information only. I want to change the date to 5th June. So data can be modified in two ways: partial, and one is full modifying, means we'll delete the complete data and write the new one, and one is partial, means we'll just modify some part, not the full information. For that, double click here. Suppose I want to write 5th June, so delete this one and write 5. This is known as partial modification. For that, we have to do partial modification, we have to double click on the cell. And another one is full modification. For that, we will delete the previous information. For that, just we'll click on the cell and write the new information. Suppose I want to write 6 June 06, then 06 2020. And even for the name also, suppose I want to change the complete name, then just select the cell and write the new information. So remember, data can be modified in two ways. One is complete modification and one is partial. In partial, we'll change only some part, and in complete, we'll delete the previous one and write the new one. To do partial modification, we have to double click on the cell, and to do complete modification, just select the cell and write the new information. Now how to format the data in a cell? For formatting the data, suppose I want to format the numerical data, I want to make it long date. First go to number and select long date, and from here font group I can change the text color, for example this color, and from here I can change the font style, means the way it appear on the spreadsheet, for example this one. And to put borders, from here select all borders. So you will see in the first cell a thick border is there. If you need more dark border, click here, and from here line style, take the bold one. As here you can see dark borders. Then the next one, for the text, select the text. From here select the text style. From here we can change the size, suppose 20, and from here text color, and from here back color. This way we can do formatting in Excel 2010. For today's lesson, this much only. See you in next class. Till then, take care. Bye.